So we are in collections, and inside of collections we're looking at sets, which is one of the 4 data types, and inside of sets we're looking at the update method. And the update method actually behaves quite similarly to the union method, and the only difference really is that the union method actually returns back a result, whereas the update method operates on the list or the set in place. So let's just try and see how this works. We'll get this running. Just copying a couple of sets that we've got from previously, and we are able to print out our sets, and then we will just try the update method. So let's do an update. And the first thing we'll do is fruits1 dot update. So we're just going to see what this update method is, and then open bracket. It's going to operate on an iterable, and we're going to operate that on the on fruits2 on the second set. And here we've got update a set with the union of itself and others. So I will just put that in here. This is what it's going to do: update itself and a union set with others. And for that we need to put in fruits2, and we just notice here that this returns back a none. So whereas when we were looking at the union above, this one here returned a set, and therefore we assigned it to a completely new variable, which was a set in itself. This method here, the update method, just operates on fruits. So what we can do is show the results, and we will print something like after the update. And we're only going to have 2 sets. We haven't introduced a new variable. That's the key to the update method. We can just paste in our fruits1 and fruits2, and we'll see what happens after the update. So we just run that piece of code, and here we see that fruits1 has been updated and therefore increased in size. In place, it's now extended, and of course, or as usual, we don't get any duplicates in sets, because one of the properties of sets is that there's no duplicates. And we see that fruits2 is left unchanged. So fruits1 has been updated, and it's been updated in the way where we update a set with a union of itself and others. So that's how the update method works in Python, in collections and in sets.